in this lesson, we will fix the luminaires or lights on the false ceilings. For that, we have to go to this tab, Light. Then you have to go to the active luminaire. These are already luminaires that I have already selected for the previous projects. So if you are doing for the first time, you will not see these things. So you have to go to the select option. I have already added this, so you will not get anything here. So you have to go to the catalog and additional catalogs. Your internet should be on here, and you will find all the companies that manufactures different kind of luminaires. You will find all of the catalogs here. I have already downloaded the catalog for the Philips company called Philips. You can choose the company as per availability at your location, but whatever you are choosing, the process will be like this. Let's say Philips, click on this and then download catalog. This page will open. You have to download Philips product selector plugin. So after downloading and installing this, you have to close this software. You just close this and then reopen the software. Then you will directly go to this select option and you will find this catalog here.